As today we'll talk about how can you enable display contact info on your business switch app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down here, click on tools down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do now, just click on profile info. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you just go down here, then you click here on profile display here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you come here to display contact info. You click it this side here. So when you click on it, then like you see this color show for us, that's main display contact info enable with us now. Then you click here on save, so then it's going to save with us. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.